How can you unlock $1,280,000 using a little-known formula? This is Charles from Smart Wealth Lifestyle, and I'm going to share how a centuries-old formula can help you create your first million. I decided to share this with you because it's definitely changed my life. Even after getting my first degree in engineering, I had no clue about how to manage my personal finances. After a bunch of networking and research, I finally stumbled into this. First of all, I'm not making any guarantees or providing professional advice. Just to prep your mindset, this won't make you money overnight. By the end of this video, you'll understand the mechanics of all this and hopefully improve your financial situation. You don't need to be a math whiz to figure this out. I'll simplify this as much as I can. Let's go over this little-known formula. It's Luca Pacioli's Rule of 72. You can use it to determine how long it takes for your money to double. Imagine doubling your money several times. That's the key to wealth. You can use this special way of compounding your money and make a million or more. Let's dive into this. How does the Rule of 72 work? The Rule of 72 works by taking the annual interest rate or return on an investment and dividing it into 72. This will give you a rough estimation of how long it will take for that investment to double in value. Here's an example. 72 divided by 10% equals 7.2. That means every 7.2 years, the investment can double at the rate of 10%. Whether you're saving money every month or you're investing a lump sum, you can take advantage of this. Let's say that you invest $40,000 at a rate of 10%. After 7.2 years, you'll have $80,000. After 14.4 years, you'll have $160,000. After 21.6 years, you'll have $320,000. After 28.8 years, you'll have $640,000. After 36 years, you'll have $1,280,000. If the rate of return is higher, then the doubling time will be shorter. Conversely, if the rate of return is lower, then the doubling time will be longer. It should also be noted that the Rule of 72 only provides a general estimation, so the actual doubling time may differ from the result provided by this rule. Do I need $40,000 to implement this? I just used that as an example. When I put this video together, I was thinking that $40,000 seems like a lot of money to get started with. Some people might think that it's impossible. I don't think so. I've met young adults that have had multiple cars that exceeded that amount. To me, it's more about priorities and investing over time. What kinds of investments are suitable for the Rule of 72? The Rule of 72 can be used with just about any investment that has a rate of return. For example, savings accounts, stocks, bonds, mutual funds, real estate, and cryptocurrency. If you're investing through your workplace, then a 401k, 403b, or 457 can utilize this. Even college savings plans have interest rates. Typically, the higher the risk, the higher the return. As usual, it is important to do additional research and consider all factors before making any decisions related to investing. What are the limitations of the Rule of 72? One of the main limitations of the Rule of 72 is that it does not account for inflation, taxes, fees, or other external factors that could affect the return on an investment. As a result, the estimated doubling time may not be accurate and should be taken with a grain of salt. Additionally, the Rule of 72 can only apply investments that offer a fixed rate of return, meaning that it's not easy to determine the doubling rate with fluctuating rates of return. Now you have two options. You can work hard for your money or take risks and let money work for you. If your goal is to retire early or make your first million, this is extremely powerful and you can strategically implement it in your financial plan. If you want to see more wealth-creating content like this, make sure that you like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.